Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect WordPress to LinkedIn with featured post automation, complete guide step by step clearly. To connect WordPress to LinkedIn for featured post automation, start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the Plugins section on the left-hand menu. Click on Add New to search for plugins. In the search bar, type WP LinkedIn Auto Publish. Once you find the plugin, click on Install Now, and then activate it. After activating the plugin, look for Settings under the WP LinkedIn Auto Publish section. Click on Settings to begin configuring your LinkedIn connection. You will need your LinkedIn account details, so open a new tab and log into LinkedIn. Go to the LinkedIn Developer Portal by visiting the LinkedIn Developer site. Click on Create App to set up a new LinkedIn application. Fill out the required fields, including the app name and description. Choose the appropriate permissions your app will need for posting content. Once you've completed this, click on Create App at the bottom of the form. After your app is created, you'll be taken to the app dashboard. Note down your client ID and a client secret for later use. Return to your WordPress dashboard and go back to the plugin settings. Enter your LinkedIn client ID and client secret into the provided fields. Set up any additional settings, such as post formats and visibility options. Save your changes to apply your new settings. To test the connection, create a new post or page on WordPress. Look for the option to publish this content to LinkedIn. Once you publish the post, check your LinkedIn profile to ensure it appears as expected. Repeat this process to automate featured posts in the future. Monitor your LinkedIn feed for any updates from your WordPress posts. Adjust the plugin settings as needed for optimal performance. You're now successfully connected. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.